fans come out to watch us, so we need to give them something to celebrate, and we did that. And yeah, I think it's something we should do naturally anyway. I think Jamaica, as a team, we're going to keep growing. As the manager said, even when it comes to bringing in different players, we want to get stronger, but when it comes to the fans, we have to always give thanks to them, because without them, we're half as strong. And when we play at home especially, we have to give our best and try and make the game entertaining and win games most importantly.
Alright, Jerome, we'll have the last question, and then the mix zone will be outside everybody.
Alright, Coach, the referee, your thoughts on the performance?
Slippery slope. No, he did some, I would say, he did some mistakes, but we all do. I think we should have had at least the second yellow card when Leon was going in the box. But because we won, I'm not going to say anything more, but he was like the pitch. Could have been better.
You also heard that the first chance was not offside, right?
I didn't see that yet, but
I didn't think it was. Yeah, it's a goal and assist, and it was.
Alright, everybody, thank you. Remember, Demarai will be doing a school visit on Monday at Garvey Maceo. See you guys.